Hey guys, it's Bug. Welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. Today I am finally back about a week and a half late to choose the winner for the tiny giveaway associated with this Graphic 45 project. Thank you so much to everyone who entered by commenting about your experience with mini albums in the comments of this project. And I'm going to go ahead and insert the winner here. The winner this time is Shannon. Shannon, I'm going to reach out to you and get some information from you so that I can send off your tiny giveaway winnings. Thanks everyone again for participating. Hope you all have a great day. This is Graphic 45, and especially if you have a colored chipboard, it really kind of is seamless on black chipboard or craft, probably even white. Yeah, when the colors match, they match, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, well, that didn't work. I'll try it again. This is real life. Oh, real life crafting. On the front cover, this glue. It's sticky. It's so weird. It's not glue. What is it? What is it? Okay. Start over.